The U.S. hog industry is on high alert as the first case of African swine fever is detected in the Western Hemisphere. In tonight's Montana Ag Report, Russell Nemitz shares more on what producers and consumers need to know.
Well, as part of its continuing efforts to respond to the recent discovery of African swine fever in the Dominican Republic and also prevent its introduction into the mainland United States along with Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands, the U.S. Department of Agriculture is now preparing to establish a foreign animal disease protection zone. USDA's Chief Veterinary Officer Rosemary Sifford explains more about this additional action to further safeguard our U.S. swine herd and protect the interests along with the livelihoods of U.S. pork producers.
We're going to use these additional mitigations that we are putting in place to develop a protection zone. In addition to the surveillance and the education and outreach, we are also looking at opportunities to further restrict the pork products that might move in interstate commerce from Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands to the mainland. Normally, those items have not been restricted. We are going to add some restrictions there, and that will allow us to provide the OIE all the information that they would need for us to put in place a protection zone for the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico.
Now, the USDA has also been actively working with officials in the Dominican Republic to help assist in their response to this first outbreak of ASF here in the Western Hemisphere in about 40 years. And by the way, the National Pork Producer Council is reminding consumers that African swine fever isn't transmissible to humans either by contact or by eating the meat from the infected hog. In Billings, Russell Nemitz, MTN News.